wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling pins. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Crafted from durable, moisture-resistant hardwood, the farberware Classic is a no-nonsense selection with an affordable price. It's outfitted with comfortable, easy-grip handles with nylon bearings that won't rust and ensure a smooth rolling action. This is a solid entry-level choice with a nostalgic American design. However, it's not heavy enough for some. At number 9, not only does the chefast combo kit include one traditional and one half-sized silicone rolling pin that's great for involving your little ones, but it also comes with a pastry mat with printed measurements on it, making it a convenient choice for bakers. It also includes 2 stainless steel cookie cutters, and the mat is resistant to high heat, but it emits a strong smell out of the box. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Wood may be popular, but other materials can get the job done too. The norpro stainless steel is a fine example, with its smooth finish and clean lines. This one's suitable for any modern cook on the hunt for something effective that's also easy on the eyes. It works well chilled and washes easily with soapy water. However, it can rust over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, constructed from sturdy beechwood, the linden Sweden deep notched will impart an eye-catching pattern onto dough as you roll it out. It has ergonomic handles to minimize strain on the hands and wrists during long baking sessions. It's perfect for flatbreads and also suitable for clay crafts, but the surface can be a bit rough. Moving up our list to number 6. With the Joseph adjustable, you'll never have to estimate how thick your dough is again, as it comes with a set of removable discs that do all the work for you. If you're a perfectionist, this is definitely the model for you. It includes pastry guides and markings in inches and centimeters. Switching out the rings is easy. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Fox Run Marble offers a convenient non-stick surface and a tough natural stone barrel. It can be cooled depending on your recipe, and its substantial weight ensures evenly flattened shortbread with minimal effort. It's offered in 3 attractive colors and comes with a base for storage. It sports an attractive coloration. At number 4, if you're into the sleek appearance of stainless steel, then you'll appreciate the professional French from Cuisine. This pick is perfect for those who enjoy a minimalist aesthetic, but who also value good craftsmanship and functionality. It doesn't absorb flavors or odors and is safe for the dishwasher. It includes a 1-year satisfaction guarantee. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the elegant top-notch kitchenware tapered has an unusual eye-catching pattern that'll impress anyone passing through your kitchen. At 18 inches long, it'll work wonders pressing out generous rounds of homemade pizza crust. It offers a balanced weight and a Celtic knot detail. It's made of solid black walnut. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, crafted from food-grade plastic, the Wilton Large is an extra-wide option, ideal for working with sizable pieces of fondant and pastry dough. It sports a smooth non-stick surface that won't leave behind any marks, and is lightweight and easy to clean. It includes 3 pairs of guide rings and is good for making crackers. It's economically priced. And taking the top spot on our list, simplicity and performance are hallmarks of the J.K. Adams dowel. Crafted by hand from maple wood, it offers a low-tech but timeless design that'll make a welcome addition to the cabinet of any home or professional cook. It's manufactured in Vermont and backed by a lifetime warranty. It's very easy to control. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video.